What about your family there? My children is sleeping. Yes, I think you can close which harang to, please. Yes, I think you can. Yes, it's very important. Harang. You feel sleepy now? I feel hungry. Favor, I feel hungry. Okay naman yung payat mo bagay sa'yo. Payat pa ba to? Payat pa yan. Yung pagkain ko na dapat kakainin ko dito, i-snack ko, kinain na ng baby ko. Wala na tuloy akong biskwit, tsaka yung chips, kinain niya. Kulit mo talaga, baby cat. Nandiyan ka lagi sa wire is. Kulit mo, ipupulong-pong kita dyan sa charger. Hey, Favor, nice decoration. Thank you. Go eat. No pod answers kameyat. No food here in my house. I want to eat but no food. No bread. No biscuit. Ay, may food pala. Wait, meron palang pagkain. May rice pa pala. May leftover pa palang rice. The wine is so loud. Yeah, guys. May electric pan. May electric pan. Ilang taon ka na, be? 33. Magta-34 na. Hi, Blackpink. Marhaba. Marhaba. Blackpink. Meron pa pala, may kanin. Ay, kakain pala ako ng kanin. Paano para lilit yung chat ko kung kakain na naman ako ng kanin? May kanin pa pala at saka yung leftover na fried chicken. Marhaba! Wait lang, guys. Maghahanap muna ako ng makakain. Pero kanin na naman. How do you say hi in Philippines? Hi in Philippines is... Ano nga ba yung hi sa Pilipinas? Yung mga dyan? Kasi hindi ko alam eh. Ang alam ko hi din. Hi din yung hi sa Philippines. Hi in Philippines, I think no meaning, no. Excuse me. No meaning. Musta? Yung ba yung hi? Hi, musta? Hi, Heaven Love. Oo, 1990. Wait lang, guys.